Good morning, back to basic sharing tayo. So, explain natin yung pagkakaiba ng swell at saka yung waves. Ayan. Magkaiba po yan, no? Okay, so mabilisan. Yung swell po, yan yung distance phenomena, no? Yan po ay kung saan nanggagaling yung bad weather or yung storm. Usually doon po yan nanggagaling, and usually talagang visible talaga siya, masyadong mataas, kumbaga talagang obvious, makikita mo siya while you are on the bridge. So yung waves naman, ayun yung local disturbance, no? Maliliit, usually yun yung doon mo makikita yung yung kung saan yung direction ng hangin, kasi usually siya pronounce siya as local disturbance, no? So kumbaga yung waves, yun yung nakapatong doon sa swell. Yan po yung pinaka highlights. Okay, so back to basic sharing po tayo na ngayong araw, and then maraming salamat.